Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato gnocchi soup. This guide will walk you through crafting a warm, comforting bowl of potato gnocchi soup, perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients, many of which you likely already have in your pantry. Then, we'll move on to preparing the gnocchi and assembling the soup, ensuring a delightful meal that's both easy and incredibly satisfying. Let's get cooking. First, let's prepare our gnocchi. You'll need about 2 pounds of russet potatoes, boiled until they are fork tender. Once cooked, mash them thoroughly, ensuring there are no lumps. Next, gently mix in 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 egg. Knead this mixture lightly until a soft, pliable dough forms. Avoid overworking the dough, as this can make your gnocchi tough. Now, we're ready to shape them. Now, let's shape the gnocchi. Roll sections of your dough into long ropes, about 1/2 inch thick. Then, cut these ropes into 1-inch pieces. You can leave them plain or gently roll them over a fork for those classic ridges. For the soup base, sauté 1 cup of diced carrots, celery, and onion in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil until softened. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 1/2 cup of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Finally, it's time to cook the gnocchi and finish our soup. Carefully drop the gnocchi into the simmering soup. They will cook quickly, floating to the surface when they are ready, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in 2 cups of fresh spinach until it wilts, then season your soup with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious, homemade potato gnocchi soup. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.